Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how exactly you can set up your AirTag on your iPhone or iPad in just a few simple steps. By the end of this guide, your AirTag will be paired, named, and ready to help you track your valuables using Apple's Find My Network. Firstly, start by removing your AirTag from the packaging. Peel off the protective plastic, and when you remove it, your AirTag will play a short chime. That sound confirms it's powered and ready to connect. Now, with your iPhone or iPad unlocked and Bluetooth turned on, place your AirTag within a few inches of your device. Within seconds, a pop-up window should appear on your screen. Tap Connect to begin pairing. Now, you'll be asked to name your AirTag. Apple provides several preset names based on common uses like keys, backpack, or wallet. If none of those fit, select Custom Name and type in your own label. You can name it anything you like. When you're done, just tap Continue. You'll now see a screen showing your Apple ID email address and phone number. This information is securely attached to your AirTag, so if someone finds it, they can contact you without seeing your personal details. Just tap Agree and wait for a few moments while your AirTag registers. Once pairing is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. Just tap Done, and just like that, your AirTag is set up. Now, let's see how to use it. With setup complete, your AirTag is now ready to use. Open the Find My app on your iPhone or iPad, then tap on Items. You'll see a newly paired AirTag listed here. Tap on your AirTag's name to open its control panel. From here, you can play a sound, get the directions, enable lost mode, or rename or remove your AirTag anytime. And that's it. You're all set. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.